A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is humanity's journey, rising above imperfection. Ladies and gentlemen, the world today is undeniably imperfect, shaped by challenges that are as much the result of human choices as they are of historical circumstances. These imperfections, ranging from economic inequalities and social disparities to environmental degradation and conflicts, form a complex web that defines the reality of modern life. Yet, within these challenges lies an extraordinary opportunity. The true purpose of humanity is not merely to coexist with these flaws, but to rise above them by drawing on ancient wisdom, cultural values, and experimental learning. It is in this pursuit that humanity discovers its capacity for peace, purpose, and progress. The imperfections of the world span many dimensions. Economic inequality has widened significantly, creating a chance between wealth and poverty that destabilizes societies. Social disparities, entrenched in systems of race, gender, and class, marginalize large sections of the population. Environmental degradation, driven by unsustainable practices, threatens the delicate balance of life on Earth. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions and cultural divides perpetuate mistrust and conflict, undermining the possibility of global harmony. These challenges, while daunting, are not insurmountable. The lessons of history illustrate humanity's ability to adapt, innovate, and correct its course. Ancient civilizations imparted timeless wisdom about balance, equity, and sustainability, the values that remain relevant even in the face of modern complexities. The words of Confucius echo this sentiment. To put the world in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put the family in order. To put the family in order, we must first cultivate our personal lives. We must first set our hearts right. This profound insight underscores the importance of self-reflection, ethical leadership, and harmonious relationships as the foundation for addressing larger systemic issues. Similarly, movements for peace, justice, and equity have demonstrated that collective action can address even the most entrenched disparities. Education is central to this transformative process. True education extends beyond knowledge acquisition, fostering critical thinking, empathy, and a sense of shared responsibility. It is through education that humanity learns from its mistakes, recalibrates its trajectory, and equips future generations to meet emerging challenges with resilience. Moreover, the cosmos, vast and mysterious, reminds humanity of its place in a greater system. The interconnectedness of all things, from the smallest ecosystem to the largest celestial body, underscores the importance of harmony and balance in all human endeavors. What's the way forward? To address these imperfections, humanity must focus on three fundamental principles. First, peace, addressing systemic injustices and resolving conflicts through dialogue, understanding, and collaboration. Second, purpose, aligning individual and collective actions to promote equity, sustainability, and progress. Third, progression, learning continuously, fostering accountability, and ensuring that past mistakes inform future decisions. The way forward requires leadership that is compassionate and visionary, systems that prioritize inclusivity and fairness, and global frameworks that emphasize sustainability over short-term gains. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the imperfections of the world are not roadblocks. They are opportunities for transformation. Economic inequalities, social disparities, and environmental challenges are calls to action, urging humanity to strive for a more equitable and harmonious existence. The wisdom of ancient cultures serves as a guiding light. The Sanskrit verse Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, reminds humanity of the interconnectedness of all beings and the necessity of collective harmony. Complementing this is the timeless insight from the Bhagavad Gita. Whatever actions a great person performs, others follow. Whatever standards they set, the world emulates. This divine message underscores the responsibility of individuals to act as beacons of positive change, setting examples through ethical actions, compassion, and a commitment to the greater good. By embracing these values and rising above individual and collective flaws, humanity can pave the way for a future defined by peace, equity, and hope. The journey may not be simple or swift, but it is in confronting imperfections with courage and turning challenges into milestones that humanity discovers its true potential. Through this collective pursuit, a world emerges that reflects the best of its values and aspirations, a world that rises above its imperfections and reaches towards its highest purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.